Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Crunchyroll Premium for free. So let's open it up and go over to the account. And as you can see, my membership is free. But when we press this, we can actually start the subscription with developer mode. So I'm going to press that and now it's going to be free. So as you can see, it says welcome to Crunchyroll. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. As you can see, I'm now a mega fan. So if you guys want to get Crunchyroll Premium for free, keep watching. So first thing we're going to do, guys, is go ahead and go onto the tweakmod.com. So let me just go ahead and type this in. All right, so now that we're in the site, guys, put in Crunchyroll. Actually, sorry about that. The website is matrixmods.com, I'm assuming. So let me just type this in and then go onto the search bar and type in Crunchyroll. And no, it's actually going to be hexmods.com. All right, let me just put that in. All right, so now that we're in the site, type Crunchyroll and go ahead and press on the mod, press the download button. So before it downloads, it's going to be one more step, verification. So you got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions, 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. So here we are, last step. You can see it's going to tell us that we have to do the missing files download. So for instance, Underdog Fantasy, it says download and run for 30 seconds. So I would download the app from the app store, run it for 30 seconds. Scanner app, this one says search up Moonicorn Limited related app under the term document scanner. Download the app and open it. That's all you got to do, open it. So yeah, just do 2 of these, guys. You're going to be good to go. So there's also like Lucky Match, which says reach level 11. So there's tons of these. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys are tired of paying for Crunchyroll Premium, because it's kind of stupid. It's not really worth paying for. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.